Is your EPA performing the way you expect and meeting industry standards? Even well-designed ESD control programs can drift over time. Equipment wears down, materials degrade, and small issues go unnoticed until they result in costly damage or product failure. DESCO's ESD surveys are designed to prepare you for an audit and ensure that your program aligns with ANSI ESD S2020 requirements. Our local representatives are factory trained by TR53 certified technicians and equipped with factory calibrated test equipment. With an industry-leading sales team, including a team of TR53 certified technicians, DESCO brings a proven expertise directly to your EPA. The purpose of the survey is to evaluate how your current EPA compares to the requirements of ANSI ESD S2020 limits. We will provide you with a written report that contains measurements taken, observations, recommendations, and as well as any helpful information. No other ESD solutions provider offers this level of support and array of products. Make sure your ESD program is working at its best. Contact DESCO to schedule your ESD survey today.